OLFA knife. I need a second knife for the outside sketching. It was on sale. There's only two things that can draw my attention. Anger of Achilles by David, and second one is yellow price tag. Okay, so let's see what it says. It's made in Japan and it has limited lifetime warranty, whatever that means. So let's open an OLFA knife with an OLFA knife. The packaging is secure. Let's take a closer look. I really like the shape of this knife because when I sharpen my pencils, I hold my knife like this, and this wide grip fits nicely between these three fingers, like so, and it's very comfortable. This is very cool knife, but it's too thin, so it's really, my pinky gets too bent when I sharpen my pencils, but this shape is extremely comfortable in my hand. Let's check out the click. So this slide has a metal ring that fixes the blade nicely and firmly. There's a very little wiggle room here. So the movement of the blade is on a harder side, but that's exactly what you want for these knives, because you don't want your blade to shake too much during the sharpening. Because the body is solid metal, it's on a heavy side, but due to the size it's not too uncomfortable. Alright, so let's check out the way the blade breaks. It's very easy actually. I am surprised, honestly. Just for the lefts, let's try to cut some paper. Check out the cut. So the paper was folded, now let's try to cut a flat piece of paper. So I have a pencil that needs sharpening. What a coincidence, it's like I planned this. Yeah, I really like this shape. I can hold it like this or rest it right in the middle of my palm. This is very cool. So now I have nice and fine point for sketching. Okay, so that's the OLFA knife. This is my t-shirt. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.